Yeah, so my name is Chase Bluford, and I am a service advisor here at Team One. Yeah, so Team One's different from other jobs that I've had in the sense that this is the first time working in the automotive world with me. I've been working on cars with my dad since I was about 10 years old and was always worried about trying to find a shop that was very reputable and very honest. And within about the first 2 weeks of working here at Team One, I knew that this was my home. Yeah, so I believe the type of person that would like to work here at Team One is someone who's, very enthusiastic about cars, very passionate about, their work and what they're willing to provide to not only, the customers here at Broken Arrow, but as well as our employees. Having a good relationship with them is I believe, paramount in making a good mark here at Team One. Yeah, so I think the person that wouldn't want to work here is someone that's, not willing to go above and beyond. This is a very high-intensity job in the sense that we want to make sure that everything's, 100% all the time. And so someone with maybe not the best work ethic or someone that's not willing to give it their all, coming into work each day, I don't think that this would be the right fit for them. My favorite thing working here at Team One is definitely probably going to be the friends as well as the cars. I've grown a good relationship with almost every single employee here, and a lot of the customers are phenomenal to talk to and phenomenal to work with. And of course, seeing all of the really cool cars that come through the shop has been a great experience for me. So if you're thinking about applying here at Team One, all that we ask is that you come with a smile and ready to work and give it your all coming in.